In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate Discover Credit Card. First things first, you'll need to have its official mobile app installed on your phone. If you haven't downloaded it yet, just head to your App Store or Google Play Store and install the official app. Once the app is installed, open it up and log into your account using its login credentials. However, if you have not yet registered for online banking, you need to sign up for a new one. Once you're on the home screen, look for the credit card section. If your new Discover card has been issued, you should see a prompt or notification at the top of the screen that says something like Activate your card. Tap on that. Now, the app will guide you through the activation process. You'll be asked to enter some information, usually the 3-digit security code from the back of your card and maybe the card's expiration date. This is just to verify that you physically have the card in hand. Next, you'll be prompted to confirm your identity. Depending on your app settings, this might involve a one-time passcode sent to your phone or email, or simply using Face ID or your fingerprint. Once that step is complete, the app will instantly activate your card. Well, that's how you activate your Discover credit card. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.